Welcome. If you've ever found yourself in a noisy environment, or just want a little more control over when your friends hear you on Discord, setting your input mode to push-to-talk is a game changer. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable push-to-talk on Discord, so you can chat only when you want to be heard. First, let's get started by opening up the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you straight into your user settings where all the magic happens. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled App Settings. Here you'll find an option called Voice. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can adjust everything related to your microphone and speakers. Next, look for the setting called Input Mode. This is the key to controlling how Discord listens to your microphone. By default, it's usually set to voice activity, which means Discord will pick up any sound and transmit it automatically. But we want more control, so tap on Input Mode. You'll see two options, voice activity and push-to-talk. Select push-to-talk. Once you do, you'll notice a new option appear that lets you set your preferred key or button for activating your mic. Choose a key that's comfortable and easy to reach while you're gaming or chatting. And that's it. Now Discord will only transmit your voice when you hold down your chosen key. This helps cut out background noise and gives you complete control over your conversations. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and select voice activity instead. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tips. See you in the next video.